Hey everybody, it's Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com. So if you watched my prior two videos, it's all about just simple little things to spiff up your older modern Vespa. So, I popped the seat open on the scooter we're selling to. We fixed it up, put new tires on it, did a service on it. Nice low miles, 15-year-old Vespa LX here. But, I kind of look underneath the seat, and some of this stuff really catches my eyes right here. Well, the battery cover's got to go back on. We just replaced the battery, but you can ignore that. But you see these fasteners around here, they're just like, they all look a little different. So, especially this one right here. And if you look in the description of this video, I'll list some of the hardware, but I would recommend going onto the Scooter West web store and you can find the specific parts diagrams and pinpoint the various pieces of hardware. And oftentimes we'll have these available in sometimes stainless steel as an option. Alternatively, I have the more modern equivalent, which has a Torx head on it, which is a lot easier to use than the old Phillips style. So, pretty much the same size screw. You put that right in place and it looks much, much better than that rusted out screw. Every time you fill up, you look under there, see that rusty old screw. And the same goes with all these little ones that are on this gas tank surround. So with these, there's, I think, one short one. If I recall, this one's short right here. So near the negative terminal short. There's a long one over there. And if I recall, these ones might be long. It's been a while since I pulled one of these out. Yeah, another long one. And again, one more long one. So we'll go ahead and replace all four of those screws. So just to use something a little different, I got stainless steel number 8 screws. So I got the short one here. Obviously they're originally black, so I'm kind of switching up, but a set of 4 stainless steel ones are never going to rust, and they certainly look better than various shades of oxide on those original screws. And same with the battery cover screw. It's actually another one of these short ones, so that's how that one goes. So replace all those. I'll show you one other fastener that really bugs me on these Vespa LXs that's very prone to corrosion. So here you got the passenger foot peg, and of course moisture just builds up in this little well. So oftentimes this one, sometimes they're pretty difficult to get out. Another thing you may want to replace, but you would have to remove the whole entire floorboard. These are pretty inexpensive, these black plastic passenger footrest. Pretty simple, just remove the screw, and again I'm going to put the nice Torx version, put a stainless steel version in there. I'll tell you one thing about the Torx versions. They did change the coating that they use on these screws. It tends to hold up a lot better than those old Phillips ones found on the scooters from the early to mid 2000s. All right, so pretty much a nice, simple, inexpensive way to dress up your older modern Vespa. Just replace some of the hardware. Not only does it look better, you're gonna save yourself if they ever get seized in place. Take them out before they're all the way rusted in there. Thanks again for watching. It's Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com. I hope you liked that little tip. If you do, of course, hit the thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't to our Vespa Motorsport YouTube channel. I think we're just shy of 100,000 subscribers. I want to thank everybody for watching all the videos. And we don't monetize these videos. I just like making them because I know they help people out. And of course, they help our web store here in San Diego, ScooterWest.com, out. And of course, we have everything you can ever think you're gonna ever need for your modern or vintage Vespa on ScooterWest.com. Or if you're in the area, San Diego, Vespa Motorsport, look us up.